Alrighty guys, so we're all done with this truck here. Let me show you guys everything that we did. This will be the second truck we do for 2026. We got another one coming over and we got two more for the following week. So we're kicking it off pretty good. Keep on coming, guys. You want to make sure you get these lugs done. You want to make sure you get these lights done correctly the first time. Let me show you guys what we did. Cab lights first of all, right? So here's the deal. If you're gonna get your cab lights done, you can get your own parts. Bring me the emblems, bring me the fender flares. If you're gonna color match them, bring me the lights, bring me your parts to install while it's here, because it's gonna be here for almost a full day. So if you're already driving out here, might as well make an appointment with me to get everything done and get it done while it's here. I already did all these trucks. I can replace just about anything on this vehicle, or we can add just about anything onto this vehicle. So the cab lights are done. We've replaced the front emblems. I asked them, why didn't you get the illuminated one? That would have been pretty nice, but I guess when he ordered it, he didn't realize that it wasn't the illuminated one. So maybe later on we'll switch it out. We did the fender flares, color matched. It's pretty good. There's a slight difference. This does have some paint protection, so paint protection usually comes in a white, but this one looks kind of yellowish. You can see the difference right there. So color match, you call the dealer, they have them ready color match for you to replace. Get you these lights. We added that as well. Now there's no orange reflectors, just an orange light. We do need to get the AT4 in black, so we'll see if we can get them right now. The rough country mudflap delete kit, guys, that thing looks pretty good, so looks nice. All right, I know some people always ask me when they see these kind of deals here, they ask me for tire information, wheel information. Here's a little information for y'all. Hope you can see them numbers, folks. This is a real nice setup. All right, so the last thing we did today, it is Saturday. We had to put in some work on Saturday, guys. This was kind of like a last minute job and I took it in. But I only got one key. Right? I'm gonna set this down right here. Press down on the brake. Start up the truck. Starts pretty good. We're gonna activate our kill switch, right, which is gonna be hidden. Same thing, we got the key up there on the dash. Hit the brake. Start it. Like it. Nothing. It didn't start. Go ahead and shut it off. Brake in. Starts right up. So this one we added a kill switch. Customers here, he just rolled up in his other truck. He's going to be dropping off that Ford F-150 for a kill switch and the cab lights. So let us know, guys. We can take care of you. If you need anything done, we got you covered. T's Garage. Here we go.